Good afternoon, gentle friends. Welcome back to another day. So, I'm getting an earlier start today. It's not early, but it's earlier than yesterday. And no idea what direction the day is going to go in. I don't really feel like anything, but we're gonna power through this. So, I had a quick look in the fridge. I have 6 of the Applegate meatballs left, and some frozen peas. I have a couple of potatoes. I almost said tomatoes. I'm going to have those with some Greek yogurt and some salsa, and I'm just going to use some of the mushroom gravy on the meatballs, and that's it. So the only thing I need to do is I'm going to put the potatoes in the microwave, and I think I'll put the meatballs in the microwave as well, because I just can't be fussed to do anything else. And then I'll put that together, and that will be brunch. And I don't know what I'm going to do for dinner. We'll see when we get there. So, slight change in plans. The salsa made a rather disconcerting hissing sound when I opened it, which generally with tomato-based products means that it's gone into like a weird fermentation stage. And it didn't have any mold or anything gross. Smelled okay, but you know, we're going to trust the hiss was not a good sign. So instead of salsa, I've just put some of the Tajin Hot Sauce. You know, I said I couldn't tell why I was feeling so bad and I was all puffy. That would be because even though it wasn't supposed to start raining until like 9 o'clock, that's what it looks like right now. It started raining a bit, so that's the answer, I think. Alright, welcome back for dinner. So, I've changed my mind a couple of times today. I think what I'm going to do is just a very simple superfood salad. I've got some greens, clover and broccoli sprouts, grape tomatoes, English cucumber. I'm going to add a kiwi and some mandarins and some wasabi peas just for some crunch. And then I have a little bit of lemon juice left and some reduced sodium soy sauce, which I'm going to use as my dressing. And Kroger had some uncured bacon cheddar bratwursts on special. And so I picked up 2 packages of these. That'll give me 10 in total. And I'm going to break them into 2 packs. So I'm going to have 2 tonight, and then I'm going to put the rest in the freezer. So that's it. I'm going to make the salad and cook those brats in the pan. So nothing difficult or exciting there for dinner.